31% of worker fatalities in 2018 were caused by vehicle collisions. It is paramount that workers follow all steps in the standard work practice document when loading trucks, as this is one of the most dangerous tasks that occur at an MRF site. Following the step-by-step procedures outlined in this video will ensure all workers are kept safe by reducing risk and minimising harm. Before any truck driver can access a site, they must report to the office or the on-site supervisor. The truck driver must also complete a site-specific induction, be wearing the correct PPE stated in the site induction, confirm tare weights before positioning the truck for loading, confirm the correct loading position for the truck with the Re.Group representative, communicate with the forklift operator about the amount to be loaded, and communicate with the forklift operator on where the load will be going. Once the truck has been properly positioned, witches' hats or cones must be set out to create an area that allows the driver to safely retract the curtains and ensure the truck is ready to load. To load the truck, approach the stack with caution and carefully pick up a bale. Ensure the load does not exceed the forklift's safe working limit. Carry the bale low to the ground from the storage area to the taut liner. Ensure you have a clear line of sight, free from obstruction. Approach the trailer at a 90-degree angle and gradually lift the bale high enough for it to adequately clear the deck. Carefully drive forward until the bale is over the trailer deck. Come to a complete stop. Carefully lower the bale onto the deck and release the grabs. Slowly reverse away from the trailer and gradually lower the grabs. If the curtains of the truck need to be repositioned during the loading process, then the forklift must come to a complete stop. Grabs down and handbrake engaged. The forklift must be turned off and the keys removed whilst the truck driver repositions the curtains. Once the curtains have been repositioned, the truck driver must immediately return to the cabin of the truck or the designated safe waiting area. The truck driver is to stay here for the remainder of the truck loading process. The forklift driver is to inform the truck driver once the truck has been fully loaded. Once the truck has been successfully loaded, the truck driver must secure the load with the appropriate amount of straps based on the load restraint guide. Check that the witches' hats are still in their position, maintaining the safe area for the truck driver to tie down and curtain off the trailer. The forklift operator or shift supervisor should wait for the driver to tie down the load and close the curtains. All loads shall be inspected and signed off by the site supervisor prior to the truck leaving the site. Ensure each column of bales is individually strapped with a ratchet strap and check that they are adequately tensioned. The site supervisor will record and sign any required documentation to indicate compliance. The site supervisor will also be responsible for ensuring site compliance with any COR responsibilities, both for site personnel and the transport driver. This is to ensure that we are satisfied that each load has been adequately secured and it is safe for the truck to depart the site. The forklift operator and a second spotter must assist the loaded truck in leaving the site. The two spotters will need to be at either side at the rear of the truck and positioned so that they are clearly visible to the driver. Guide the truck slowly and carefully. Before leaving the site, the truck driver, with the forklift operator or site supervisor's permission, will weigh the loaded vehicle. Once weighed, the truck driver must return to the site office to hand in their documentation and collect the weighbridge docket. Once the weighbridge docket has been collected, the truck is permitted to leave the site. Once the truck has departed, the forklift driver should rearrange the bale stack, if required, to clean up any loose product. Loading trucks is one of the most dangerous tasks that are carried out at an MRF site. These step-by-step procedures on how to safely and successfully load trucks are to be followed carefully and consistently. This will ensure you and your team are kept safe while working.